Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day, and when the sun sets, you act.
You guys know this slogan, make your beauty easier. That is Luvwinhair. So the wig is from Luvwinhair. You guys know this is not the first time of me revealing their wigs. Yeah. And this one I'm going to review today, it looks like one that I've reviewed before, but this one is coily. Okay, that's the difference. Is gray, and you know gray color can go with any age. Does not mean that you are old. No, these days even if you're young you can rock gray hair. Even the young people, they rock the gray color hair better now than even the old, if I do say so myself. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Chelsea, and for the OGs, you are always welcome. I love you. Thank you guys for your love and your support. So let's go back to what I was saying. The wig is from Luvwinhair. There are some goodies that came with it. You guys know I love goodies. When goodies come with any package, I'm happy because I love gifts. I love gifts. If you know me real life, you know that I love gifts. If you order, the same thing will come with your wig, not just me alone. Yes, I'm telling you, and this is sure. It's a hairband, wig cap, pair of lashes, 2 hair clips. Two. I wonder some they will be putting one. I say, what am I going to do with one? Does it mean that we use one to hold one side? What will I now use to hold the other side? My earring. 2. That is good. Lace neckband and a comb. Yes, you are selling hair. Why don't give people comb? This is very important. Yes, a comb. Woo! Luvwinhair, thank you so much. So let me keep all these goodies. They are so precious. Okay guys, this is the wig. Just look at this color. Ooh, yeah, let's remove this. And the hair is so soft. The hair is just soft. Ooh, really soft. You see the coils. And it's very soft. I like the texture. It's detachable, adjustable strap. Combs at the back. Yeah, and look at this. I love when a wig come with this. You know, with this, I'm supposed to remove this comb because I don't need it. But if you need it, you can keep it. So when the hair is not going to inch you by the that part of your head. I don't know how they call it. If you know the name, let me know on the comment section. Okay, center part, okay, and we are going to leave it center. This is the inside. This is the inside. Okay, that's the construction of the wig. All right, now let's pop it on. Guys, it's glueless. It's glueless wig. Yes, one thing I like with glueless wig, you don't stress yourself. You just pop it on and you are good to go. So that is that. And the wig from here to here is 4 inches long, while this is 13 inches. Okay, is it 13 long, 13 inches long, something like that. It is pre-cut. You can see, just look at the edges pre-cut. This salt and pepper is everything. This salt and pepper color is everything, and it's for all age, okay, all age. Does not mean whether you're young, you're old. Everyone can wear this wig, can wear this color, and this is the new trend. You guys know. If you don't know, let me let you know now. This is the new trend, this color. If you don't have this color, what are you waiting for? Grab it, okay? supposed to be glueless, but it's not tight on me. The cap size they sent me is a little bigger than me. Okay, so I'm just going to like on the center part, so I want to shaping this center.
Grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like.
This is not love at all.
My rules, y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait.
Trim it because it's not that tight, so I'll trim it very close to the hairline.
Make you pay for it on my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short on my time. Been off yours, boss. To the floor.
Yeah, I think it's better this way. Then I'm going to bring out baby hair.
I was for us, you do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
So guys, I tied it down. Let's work on the hair. I don't want to wet the hair, so I'm just going to add hair mousse on it because I need this volume. I'm just going to apply hair mousse. Foundation, very little, so little. I don't want it to show too much. Very little foundation. So now let's lose it and see. Ooh, guys, I'm impatient to see. Oh, what did I do? I cannot lose what I buy. Okay. I'll just use my bronzer in the front. So guys, that is it. Ooh, I love this hair. Look at the front. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out, and the direct link to their website also will be on the description box. So guys, I will leave you guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently.